Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to avoid tolls inside Google Maps. Please make sure to watch the video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. Okay, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for Google Maps and make sure it is updated to its latest version. Once that's done, click on Open. Okay, there's a couple of ways to avoid tolls inside the Google Maps app. The first way, click onto your profile, top right hand corner of your screen, and then you should see settings. Click onto settings and then scroll all the way down and click on navigation settings, and then scroll down again and there should be an option here under route options, avoid toll roads. So enable that. There you go. That's the first way how to avoid toll roads. Another way is to head back to your maps here, and for demonstration purposes I want to head over to Elizabeth, so I'll just put a pin there, click on directions like that, and then on this page here you'll have three dots on the top right hand corner of your screen. Click into that and then click on options, and here you go. There's another way to avoid tolls, so just enable that. You can also avoid motorways and ferries while here, but that's not what we're here for. So yeah, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this tutorial helpful.